What type of data is needed for RAG and how can it be secured? Answer: RAG reasoning and generation requires textual data, which is well supported. However, support for other forms of data like images and tables is improving. To secure data, especially for an enterprise, it is crucial to implement measures like role-based access control (RBAC), which restricts access to a system depending on roles. This can be achieved by using user session tokens in requests to the vector database, ensuring that only authorized users have access to specific data. Additionally, logging activities such as prompt inputs, outputs, and error results can provide a rich set of data for product training and improvement, while also helping to manage data leaks like PII, personally identifiable information. Moreover, AI models have common patterns with cloud deployments, and tools like RBAC, rate limiting, and other controls can be used to make AI deployments more robust. It is also essential to consider ways to ensure that the experience meets consistent expectations through input/output moderation, such as using tools like NEM or guardrails, which can provide secondary checks on inputs and outputs to ensure the system runs smoothly and addresses questions it was built for.